Phoenix police officers were driving in the area of 19th Avenue and Indian School Road when they saw a man assaulting a woman near the roadway. A physical altercation between the couple was also captured on surveillance video from a nearby business. Officers stopped to investigate, and as they got out of their patrol vehicle, a man, later identified as 35-year-old Brian Streeter, began moving quickly away from the officers and pulled a handgun from his waistband.
Stop! Stop! Hey, he's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Stop! Stop!
Stop!
Drop the gun!
Drop the fucking gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, bro!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, bro!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun right now, bro!
That's the gun right here. It's a black hand gun.
Stop, bro! Okay.
We gotta draw a line somewhere. Camera on.
Bro, if you don't stop right now, we're gonna shoot you! Stop!
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 Hey, our backdrop.
Watch out!
Stop!
Stop, bro!
Stop!
Phoenix, please!
Stay along the wall. We got bad
Okay, slow down.
bad backdrop.
Slow down, bro.
Walking back out to traffic. He's got a gun to his head. Camera on.
No, if
Camera
you
on.
don't stop right now, we're gonna shoot you! Stop!
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 Hey, our backdrop's changing.
Watch out!
Stop!
Stop, bro!
Stop!
Phoenix, please!
Stay along the wall. We got a bad backdrop.
Slow down.
Bad backdrop.
Slow down, bro.
He's walking back out to traffic. He's got a gun to his head. 731 Mary, 998.